This park was recognized by the California Park and Recreation Society as an award-winning project back then, but it needs to be updated. Having KaBOOM inject such life into our parks with the 12 playgrounds that they have done, and the Disneyland Resort, of course, with the funding that they've provided, has been a game changer for our city and for our department, obviously. To be able to deliver new, exciting play equipment to the residents of the city and our parks. Kids are always so excited once we open up one of these KaBOOM playgrounds, and it's rejuvenated our entire park system.
We've had several community meetings, and what we've heard from the community is come in and put a new irrigation system and look at some of our infrastructure, and again address the needs of the community with picnicking, basketball, and open play.
We are here to make sure that all kids everywhere have the access to the safe and active play that they need to thrive by placing playgrounds right in their own communities. This is the 5th time specifically with this partnership, but the 12th time that we have built in the city of Anaheim. And we are here with the help of over 150 volunteers to bring this community a brand new play space. This playground was designed by the kids of this community for the kids of this community. There is no other playground exactly like it anywhere. So we're just out here trying to make kids' dreams come true.
Well, this is our home, right? I mean, Anaheim is our home. To be out here in Julianna Park just means the world to us. And it's just great to see the cast members coming out today. A lot of members of our Disneyland Resort executive team out here. And we're all, shoveling mulch and building playground pieces and hammering and all that good stuff. It's been exciting. Happiness and well-being is at the core at what Disney does each and every single day. And so building these playgrounds for us is really important. Just hope we can inspire kids and families to get up, get out, and get active together.
We've been involved just as a partner in the community since 1911. We've been around. So got a number of staff still out there moving mulch right now, though, that are now going off to jobs after this, which that's also heartwarming to me when I come out to these events. Well, we're currently working on building a community complex just around the corner from here, and we hope that that's going to be a great addition to the community in that neighborhood. And we continue, we just recently launched a workforce development program with the Anaheim Union High School District, and again, Disney is funding that for us as well. So this continued partnership just seems to keep growing and growing, and we can't be more grateful.
Please help me give a warm welcome to two very good friends of mine, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
A neighborhood of blue-collar, working class, probably one of the areas of Anaheim that has the highest concentration of overcrowded housing. So having this little pocket, this little green pocket, is where we are at Julianna Park. It's incredible. As a representative, I'm excited about how our city, community services staff most of all, just really rolls their sleeves up and just says, let's do it in a way that fits the community through their vision. And then of course the residents and the kids whose hopes and dreams will live out in this playground. And I believe we're going to amplify it a little bit, so just the beginning and a lot more to come, I hope. And certainly not just for this district, but for our city. Anaheim, come out, have your picnics out here, come play ball out here, a little soccer. But more than anything, when you see a community services staff person, thank them, express to them our appreciation to them. And when you visit the Disneyland Resort or you visit the YMCA, if you can volunteer, thank them for their great work and keep encouraging them to keep coming out and doing incredible work in our community.
Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.